Hey guys, welcome back. Keyboard enthusiasts, today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be discussing the Geon Works F1-8X, an exceptional custom keyboard kit, and why building your own custom keyboard is an absolute must. Join me as we delve into the features, advantages, and the unique experience that comes with crafting your personalized masterpiece. Let's get started. Meet the Geon Works F1-8X. It's a premium custom keyboard kit that's making waves in the keyboard community. Designed with precision and innovation, this kit offers a super high quality typing experience that features a robust aluminum top case and a PC bottom case, a leaf spring aluminum plate, a Snow Pro PCB that supports a range of layouts, and making it a versatile choice for any keyboard enthusiast or beginner. Oh, and not one, not two, not even three, but 6 brass weights. So let's get into why you would want to build your own custom keyboard. One of the main reasons for building your own custom keyboard is the ability to tailor it to your exact preferences. With the Geon Works F1-8X, you have the flexibility to choose from various layout options. The key switches, of course, you get to choose. The stabilizers and the keycaps are yours to choose as well. Whether you prefer a compact layout or a full-sized keyboard, tactile switches or linear switches, the choice is entirely yours. It's all about creating a keyboard that feels like an extension of you. And of course, if it's an extension of you, it's an extension of your creative and productive needs. Building a custom keyboard allows you to customize the keyboard according to the look, feel, and sound you prefer. The available parts these days are not as scarce as they once were. In fact, there's too many companies making different parts and keyboards these days that are all in stock. So much so that if you look for them long enough, I'm sure you'll find something you like. Don't even get me started with a second-hand market. When you embark on this journey of building a custom keyboard like the Geon Works F1-8X, you join a vibrant and passionate community. Keyboard enthusiasts from all over the world share their experiences, tips, and tricks, creating a supportive network. You can participate in online forums, join social media groups, and attend meetups, and connect with like-minded individuals. The camaraderie and exchange of knowledge are invaluable. And those are just parts of what you get when building your own custom keyboard. You get to learn so many different things. You get to be part of this wonderful community. And in conclusion, building your own keyboard, especially with the Geon Works F1-8X, is a journey filled with creativity, personalization, and learning. The ability to tailor your typing experience and express your individuality, and to join a passionate community are just a few to mention. So dive into the world of customization and embark on a truly unique keyboard building adventure. And let us know in the comments how it goes. We'd love to hear your story. So let's talk about the board a bit more. The F1-8X is a TKL keyboard designed by Geon Works to be this chunky boy that will move your desk before the keyboard moves. Safe to say this is not a keyboard you bring everywhere. Unless you want to get a workout every time you're out and about, or if you're used to backaches for lunch. But this board is quite rare, and when you do find it in the second-hand market, they won't come out cheap. It's a testament to Geon work's craftsmanship and quality. Truly endgame material. It looks very minimal, but make no mistake, this is a very maximalist keyboard, with the brass weights looking like some fancy gold or bling bling, if you know what I mean. But of course, these features won't get you to type faster or even type on its own. But you can tune it to the feel that you want, and the spring weight especially of the switch you choose to use. This makes your typing feel more comfortable, and it will reduce finger fatigue if you choose the right spring weight, thereby allowing you to work more and keep yourself a member of the productive community, while you listen to your great sounding mechanical keyboard clack and talk away while you work. That, or spend hours typing on monkeytype.com. Either way, a custom keyboard will make typing a more enjoyable experience that will just make you excited for something as mundane as typing. So really, as a keyboard enthusiast, I implore you to come experience and join in. There's plenty to go around. If you're still not sure about it, join some keyboard meetups and see and feel other keyboard enthusiast keyboards. If looks don't convince you, I'm sure the feel and the sound of the keyboards will. In addition, it's easy to say that custom keyboards aren't worth the price tag and the work that you put in it. Of course, this is when you're outside looking in. But there are still so many people getting in the hobby, and the community has never been bigger, and it just keeps growing. Enough about that, here's the typing test of the GeonWorks F1-8X. So that wraps up our video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as well. Thank you and have a good day.